aba abeyi MP amaya wonye adwuma wa ubusia ni bi ni ato ende wo de wonkwa ebetwa so
Egusoye bohwi ni yanko the National Democratic Congress NDC na yanko hwe niyama omudi na Addo danko Akufo-Addo abra no president any rituals are we perform here wa abra na be 2024 general elections na ewia ye be didi hu nkomo.
He murdered his own brother at Chairmansa, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Ufurata, his half brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achim mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid Jimensa, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Jimensa today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Jimensa thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register and let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, Jimensa. You are an idiot. I have no sweat. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause you're for. Finish that Ghana, yeah, to mama. Moi. Jimmy for. Look, let me tell you something.
Robert Johnny only 4 years. I'm telling you, you're not gonna finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that we'll see UTV. We'll see UTV.
Threatening president.
Just shut up. That's none of your business.
No,
you say I'm threatening you. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years. Is that right?
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president. What do you mean?
That things you are saying. I'll be called as a witness.
No, nobody will call you as a witness.
Thank you very much. Let's move on.
nti nyobi ene be firi akra ana kumase ana baabi aba ba kire ye haw nti we wa adwen se o ba beto aba abeyi MP amaya wonye adwuma wa ubusia ni bi ni ato ende wo de wonkwa ebetwa so se nipa ne ye na adwen so wo furu car ofuru moto ofuru plane so wo ba beto aba asisi yen ana se wo de abese ye man dia ye de ni etwa nananam nkwa na so so e de abeja we asebo so mkase pa se wo techiman wo akra ba Ghana ha ba bia wo ontese ne ha ubusia ni bi emfiri ha che se o ma me bi mfiri a wonya adwuma wa ha na se why wadwen se wo disika chi aba beto aba e de abeyi peni e de amaye ye se ne fo ha sazo de empere.
3 helicopters carrying 5 passengers and 3 crew crashed in dense forest in southern Ghana. All on board, including the ministers of defense and environment, were killed. They were on their way from the capital Accra to the town of Obuasi to attend an event aimed at tackling illegal mining. The cause of the crash remains unclear. Authorities say an investigation is underway.
Government extends our
Maka Asem way, it will be like a prophecy. Me okumangra makasa. Me say baby a jebi dan kwa wiye no. E hwana na nadu be wo. Me na me katremo.
Eti am catch us say ye kan aboneyefo a ye nka bonsam nka.
David. Se bonsam de ono na.
Wono bone am ye nyina no. Bonsam na ma ye oye dey. Oye. Enti Akufo-Addo ne de woye bonsam by yourself. Yes.
What the to one yes wa.
Ya me de to wono a.
Alaji we no de mesre wa.
Me che say ade. Me na meka.
Okay.
De Akufo-Addo oye ni kurom ha no. Kese eburu na buoku no. vice president Baumianere accident na wenya no me de me do me de papa na from my expecting say I don't want to play any sympathy game me me de cause in normal na e koso Ghana ye ka wuntie no debi ana ubehu unum pito unum sefufu dia waye free na ori meko dia uhini beso nsuo se onsu
who said we are not going to take care of Ekufuado last but na catch them be say Ekufuado obi ambodi tu obi ankuno or no be within 6 months or no ne boni be kuno.
We can't afford to lose more. There was so man where you say I was see you sure Ekufuado ne bawomia the exit way na you the president Ekufuado ko dina court ye dina sam
na Ekufuado obe yare obewu obi ambodi tu boni Ekufuado e di no ebe kuno
Akufo de obebo man no
That's all why some amount for can you who be VSHS no never be out there bear back.
What can you now boa?
I just like go senior high schools no one chronicle school free.
One school free. One free baby. E dia ho kire na eba.
Okay. Mr. Ghana for the first time I be human pania. Ya di ni kodina kota kodina Asem. Eni Ekufuado. Ekufuado will go to jail. Ekufuado will die in prison. I am telling you.
Ebushema okaba biom Sanfam Braga na Nsem TV eso edi ameje so ene promise the blogger. Ebusuya so share video si am yi chire we a video si eye nsem a members of the NDC e ka chana na dadan Ekufuado aban atamdidie eniyama e ko soro eniyama e ko fom e ko mfinfini ko nchenchen a omudi ye na dadan Ekufuado na so won nyina no na dadan Ekufuado anka omo anya omo hwe o se oh me human rights lawyer I don't think kabima minka be ne de meti ase yi I don't think munya de mo pe na munya de mo be se o video bakuya me bo chide wa NDC fo ko nsuo nko fa akusua de bo fom bodua se obi bia obeba bia ba to abati omom candidate no ahon free sa constituency ne rade enku no na nanam nso enyi ne mfiri wo we yi ensem ani ne ma NDC fo ye wa ba ne ko 2024 general elections enti eniama omu ye se ne be ombeji 2 minute de ebusuya esewani ensa o ka kire adano me ya sedum ketia nsem o kan ye kire wo me yi ene akoya o say obi prophet binya ayi kire bi on fambra na ono nu enso ne so hu de papa ne de nya papa no ono bi ni video bi a omko so fo bi hono ma omko ka say omu yi ndisi ma ba kan na ade enwu yi kire wo what you say. So if the NDC said all these things, did all these things, ebusuya still another damn Ekufuado nyame ne shirano to the extent say all these things didn't have any effect on the man. Enya any effect on the man. Enya any effect. Because another damn Ekufuado obi ya na kumemu no eye fine no do Nyankopon na Nyankopon so do no Nyankopon honhom ne Nyankopon suro ete ne mu nti no bibe oye bia Nyankopon etai ne chimane eden e ma ne yeyie eno nti no sefo otai ne kwa na otai ka ne sefo no etai Ekufuado ono na bebre cause ono no nakoma mu ye fine enti ne ba sa na whatever he is doing no Nyankopon eni je ho ope what you say Nyankopon eni je ho na ope what you say. So no matter the things that you say about the man, he is still strong and they ko na bro call we nipa nwotwe yomu ye nipa sis na aka no mu yomu ayi okopia say Independence Square the fans, the aura was there and you could see how people were giving him fans. Addo Gaga, Addo Shobo Nyankwada. Ghanaians have just realized that, bro, we did the Ekufuado bad, and you have to give the man his flowers while he's still alive. That should tell you. No matter what people will say, no matter what people will do about you, Ekufuado kind of say, Nyaujidiemu, Jinaujidiemu. Na found the nipa be yes obey you say Jina wujidie mu Nyankopon ebedi wasema ma And today we are seeing it. Now, the NDC are now whitewashing the NPP. They are now whitewashing the Akufo-Addo to let Ghanaians know, say, and I said, I'm going to be Akufo-Addo. Because if you guys did all these things, said all these things against the man, and still he did nothing to you people, then it means Papa ni Yobia or Wakumapa, no Ajimpa. Matese say, Fanticome dem after so meet on bail conditions, allegedly, no, you say, this a man, the answer, someone told him, or what you say, but you know, Sunday we are in the city. Appear stadium. Catch them another down Akufo-Addo say, or she say. Police are watching another house. No. Munjano. Leave him, let him go. Don't waste your time on this thing. Let him go. And pass on Munjano Manekoi. Why can't His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of Ghana, the first gentleman of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency, who now can be home 2 million national sir. You can just give orders. So these people, they can't do anything to me. They don't even know where I stay. They can't even come close to where I stay. So why should even these things that people came to say on their life bother me? Let them go and live their life. Just do that and see how Ghanaians will love you as the President of the Republic of Ghana. I believe you. I trust you. I really respect you. And I really adore you. I want to be someone like you. As President, I just want to be like President like you. But some of the things that you do, I don't like it. I don't like someone who is indecisive. But I just wish I can also be called president one day as you're also president. But I don't like the things that you do and how you sit down to let people do things just like that. I don't like it. So it is time, as president, it is time for you to come out and tell the people that, Massa, these people are harmless people. Let them go. They can't do anything. Let them go. And I know you can do it. I believe in you, His Excellency. I believe in you. I trust you. I trust you, sir. Father, salute, sir. We they beg you, make them go. We they beg you. Why? Yes, sir, Father. We they beg you, make them go. Akufo-Addo was just look at the people and Omamu you don't bear. And the Ghana phone Ghanaians Nankasa are giving him his flowers. Father, salute you. Why? Na danko Akufo-Addo Nyankopon hyira. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Nyankopon hyira mo. Ene akoma pa mo de bu Ghana man. Ene adwempa na mo ma Ghana fo. Nyankopon hyira mo yie papa. Ebusua, hi Ghana Asem TV. Edi ameje so, ene promise the blogger.